Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already created a Memoji. Now start inside WhatsApp. Open a chat and tap the emoji button. This pulls up emoji, GIF, and stickers. Once the sticker panel appears, make sure the sticker icon is selected. This is where Memoji stickers live. If your Memoji isn't visible, confirm it's enabled in Messages and synced to the device. You're taking the first actionable step. Locate the sticker drawer so you can insert a Memoji quickly into the message thread. Once in the sticker drawer, swipe through packs until you find your Memoji collection. Tap a sticker to preview it in the composer. This shows how it will appear in chat and why you might choose a different expression. If you want a custom reaction, switch to the camera or messages to record a new Memoji or capture facial gestures. Make sure lighting is good for accurate tracking. After creating, return to WhatsApp. The new sticker should sync into the sticker tab for immediate use. Tap a Memoji sticker to send it, short and instant. If you want quick access later, long press the sticker and add it to favorites so you don't search again. Make sure to explain why. Favorites reduce steps and avoid repeated creation. If stickers don't appear, restart WhatsApp and check iOS privacy and iCloud settings. Sometimes the Memoji needs to resync. If problems persist, recreate the Memoji in Messages, confirm it displays there. Then reopen WhatsApp. You'll be back to sending expressive stickers.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.